like I mentioned, so we're planning to do like a face makeover for this pretty lady. She's had some accident, she's got some scars, that's got a lot of issues happening on the upper lip and the chin. So we're going to be, of course, I'm not going to be working on this scar I told her, but this will be improving. And then if you look at her face, you know, there's some loose skin everywhere, and you have this shape which is not too nice. It's broader, so we're going to take this inside so that it goes in this way. I mean, get the chin is pretty broad, the mentolabial fold is not there, so we'll create a mentolabial fold, we'll get the chin forward, we'll make it pointy, we'll get this angular, this will go in, all of this. And then work around the cheeks, because you see the cheeks, the cheekbone should be here, the malar bone, you know, so here it's more lateral. So we would want to take this part off and augment it here. So she has a nice cheekbone, exactly, not sides. And then I'm going to do a little work on the base of the nose. Not remove too much of tissue because the nose is quite narrow, but just kind of tighten this to work on this groove, We're going to remove the buccal pad fat as well to give the contouring for the jawline and also to get the depression there. And then I'm going to revise this scar. So the scar is not bad, you may think, but if you see carefully, the cupid's bow is not in the midline. There's some issues here happening, so we're going to correct that. Small notching there. So this is the plan. It's going to take me a whole day, 6-7 hours. We're going to start with nasal intubation, and then we'll go on into the lower third of the face, and we'll switch over to oral intubation, and then we'll take care of middle third of the face. All right, come. We will scan it. We also need to take a scan for you first now, so we can plan the exact millimeters of what we're doing with the jaws and everything, okay? And look, you need to stay for 10 days with us after surgery. So if we're doing the surgery, as I promised, day after tomorrow.
Day after tomorrow or day after tomorrow?
Tomorrow will be difficult, you know, because I need a lot of time for you. If it's a small procedure, we can fix it in, but if it's like a multiple face makeover, I'll need the full day almost. So we'll plan there for tomorrow morning as a first case. So you get a day and a half to do your sightseeing, to just relax. But you need to stay with us for 10 days after surgery. All right? Don't plan to leave before that. Because you don't really need that time for recovery and everything. So they'll start with your blood test, they'll do your scans. I'm just going to go up for another surgery. They'll finish everything, and then you meet with the executive. He'll tell you the costing. I think you already have an idea. Any discount he can offer, he'll offer that also. Then once you're okay, then you...
the charges which is come from the hospital, it's included all this, you're going to give me the all...
Yeah, he will, because see, when I see you on a video consultation, we may not have mentioned all the procedures, but these procedures will benefit you. So, like you said, you wanted me to do as much of improvement as possible, so you've suggested all of that. You can talk to them and they'll tell you the costing for each procedure. He'll tell you this will cost this much, this will cost like that. Then he'll add up everything. And then if you are okay, we can give you a discount also for the videos and things like that. And then after all that, then you can decide, like tomorrow is a free day for you. We finish everything today in the next 2 hours. And then you can come over there tomorrow morning by 8 o'clock without having breakfast and without...
Alright. So let me ask for this question.
Yeah. So you can talk